There we go. Okay.
Ah. Ah. Mmm. Okay.
I think Daddy should have done the cooking.
I'm not making fun of you.
Yum yum.
Hi.
Yeah. Yum 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 yum.
Let's try that again. Ah. Ah. Mmm.
Mmm. Chew your food.
You got it. You had a little bit. Ah. Ah.
Open wide. There you go. There you go.
Yeah. How is it? Is it ummy? Okay. Okay. Let's try a couple more. Couple more tablespoons. Ready? Ah. Oh, it's so nummy.
Mmm.
And little by little she takes it in.
Look at it. It's all over your face. Any more? Nom, 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 nom.
I think she just likes it in her mouth.
That's what he said.
That's what he said?
But she likes it in her mouth.
What?
What? Nora, up here. Look. Yeah, we're doing a bath after this. Nora, look. Look up. Fascinated with your toes now? Hey.
Mouth full of stuff.
Nom, 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 nom.
Squeeze her cheeks together. Maybe we should just take a little break, make sure she
You're doing great.
eats well. Let's see inside your mouth.
Ah.
Ah.
Ah. Ah.
Eat the carrot. Ah. Rawr.
What do you think?
You ready for cheeseburgers?
That's
I'm stuffed. Just one more little bite.
Yourself thin. Ah. Yeah, it's not very good. It's pretty bland, I know.
Good job. Good job, Nora. Breakfast of champions.
Yay! What a good girl.
What'd you do to the poor bear?
Oh no, it's carnage. It's like, where'd my toes go? Where are my hands? A little more? Okay. Okay, I get it. Yay! That was a good first feeding. Yeah, I don't think any of it got in your mouth. Did any of it get in your mouth?
Congratulations. You are now moving to level 2 in foods.
Yay!